It's declutter time. I have a few other videos. I do hope you check them out. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're back to this mess and we're gonna go ahead and kind of look at single use items. So we're looking at like single eyeshadows and bronzers, blushes, highlighters. So we're gonna be kind of looking at this mess right here. Get started. So I've got this It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder. While this is not expired, I end up not using this, and it's big and chunky, so it's not fun to even keep in my bag to use. So this is gonna be gone. This I just got. It's from Pretty Vulgar. It's this beautiful, beautiful highlight. This is what it looks like in the pan. Looks pretty deep, but it actually goes on the skin and melts in for this really great shine. It's new. I am keeping it. I've got this Burt's Bees blush, and the shade is Bare Peach. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this and give it another try. This is a new single shadow that I got from Meech and Mia. It's this taupe kind of transition shade. I tried using it the other day, and it is actually pretty pointless. I actually think I'm gonna get rid of it. Smooth operator. This is a great little a travel size. I use it to set under my eyes or to lightly set powder around my face. This is staying. This next one is Pixie by Petra. I use this quite a bit. The shade is Beach Rose. I got this in some box. It looks pretty intimidating, but is actually a very beautiful shade. Sorry, let's go ahead. These are the keepers. This is a NARS shadow. I got it as a birthday freebie, I think from Sephora, and it is expired for sure. It's going. This is Bye Bye Pores Pressed Translucent Powder. Got this in another kit. Apparently I used it quite a bit, and I don't know when I got it, so it must be old. I haven't used it in 8 months for sure, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. It is definitely not expired. I'm gonna give this another try before I get rid of it. So I'm gonna hang on to this for a little bit longer. This is a blush from Note Cosmetics. It just has that kind of classic makeup smell that you'd probably just remember from like your grandma's makeup collection. You know how they always kind of smelled a little perfumey. It's a great blush on my cheeks. I'm gonna keep that one. This is a cream highlight from Galactic, the shade Moonlight, or Skin Glow and Moonlight. It smells like roses, like traditional roses. I'm really trying to decide whether or not to keep it. I don't know if you can kind of see. It looks beautiful on the skin, but I feel, you know, I'm going to keep it a little bit longer and try and use it some more. I feel like it shows a lot of texture on me, but I can't remember, so I'm going to hang on to that. Hula Light. I love my Hula Light. Hit pan on this bad boy and still going strong. This for sure keeping because I use it all the time. This I'm really torn on. It is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is the light shade. I love how this smells. However, even though this is light, I think this is like, I don't know, it goes on a little too orangey for me or for my liking. I'm gonna hang on to it. I cannot get rid of it because it smells so good. I think I just have to use it a little bit more sparingly and I will be fine. This is one of my newer blushes that I love. It's from Thrive Cosmetics. If you don't know about them, they are a great company. You know, they like to give back quite a bit, but you know what? I love it. The shade is called Rosy and it's new. It is not going anywhere. This, my friends, is an old standby. It is beautiful on the skin. It is super, super cheap. It's the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and the shade is Be My Highlight, and I love it. I love it to pieces. So that is not going anywhere. This, I should have returned it when I got it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't use it too often, but I paid a pretty penny for it, so I'm going to keep it. This, oh, you guys, this right here, it is called Nude Glow. It's a single pan shadow from Maybelline, and oh, it's from their expert wear collection. And this, oh my gosh, you guys, this is such a beautiful shade. I love it. I love it so much. So much. This is not going anywhere. I've been actually looking to get a backup of it because I love it so much, but now that I have the Tarte palette, I kind of stopped looking. But if you guys see this shade out there, Expert Wear Nude Glow from Maybelline is the bomb. The bomb. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and the shade is, it's called Blossom Glow, and these highlighters are no joke. This one has kind of like a pinky payoff, but it's beautiful, it's inexpensive, it's not going anywhere. Here is my Morphe shade, this is my Morphe blush, and the shade is Spirit, and that is what it looks like. It's a great pinky mauve-y blush. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. I like this way better than NARS Orgasm, so that is that. I don't think I'm doing too good on getting rid of things, my friends. These are, this is a Stila Shadow set. It's the Glitter and Glow collection. This is the set that I have. I'm keeping it, of course, but this is a new highlight from Daisy and Pearl. Yeah, Natural Radiance Booster. This is new, but I haven't really used it yet. So I'm not getting rid of it. This is Crystal and Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles from Seraphine Botanicals. You know, I think I will make that a commitment to try that out this week. And the NYX eyeshadow base, this I bought. I find that I actually don't like it at all, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Chocolate gel eyeliner. I did dip into it, but it came in a box. Why keep things I'm not using? I don't like it, so that's going. Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. I have no idea how long I've had this. It's a great, I think I kept it because it's a small travel size, but I don't use it. So that is getting pitched. The ColourPop Jelly Much. These were such a thing, but they're beautiful, but I don't reach for it at all. Like, you know, I'm just gonna get rid of them. They're just gross, and they're hard to work with. This was the other one that I got. Beautiful. It's got this purple blue reflect into it, but it's hard to work with for me. So these are going. Incredible You Glow Girl Cosmic Blur Iridescent Jelly. I didn't open this. This is brand new. I think you can use this all over. I'm just gonna hang on to it. Use it for, you know, like special occasion, Halloween, whatever. Finally, when I got a hold of a Fit Me powder, I got the shade 05 Fair. Again, I wanted translucent, and I got an actual color. And I don't use it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I got the Coty Airspun. This is old school, but it is so good. It's super perfumed, but it is the best thing that works on my skin, and it's super cheap. So drugstore, what's up? I love it. So that is staying. Here I have some glitter pigments that I used for New Year's, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. And here, oh, this is from Bare Minerals. This is beautiful. It's called Queen Phyllis, and it's an eyeshadow, a loose pigment eyeshadow. It's beautiful. That is staying. This is from Essence. It's the Metal Shock eyeshadow. I didn't think I was gonna like this, but I actually really like this every now and again. It's kind of got this kind, you see that? It's kind of like rosy, metallic, silvery. If you use it with a good glitter glue, it stays down pretty nice. And here we have just one other. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and stop right there. Really, I didn't get rid of anything. So let's go ahead and put these guys back in here. All right, and that's gonna do it for miscellaneous single pan shadow sets. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are curious to see what else I organized or got rid of, I do have other videos, so I do hope you check them out. Check them out. Do me a favor, do me a solid, check them out. But yeah, I'm glad you stuck around. Happy you stuck around this long to see the very end. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. I am rambling now before my words get completely lost. Take care, have a good night, or a good day. Bye.